I wanted to come on here because, as you know, I'm making a plan of myself to post every day for the rest of this month. You see, I got my face tracking tripod. You keep tracking me. You keep tracking me. But, you see, keep tracking me. But, I wanted to come on here to let you guys know, shopping takes beyond circumstances. I have Hold Me Accountable new merch crop top. I have a 50% sale going on until limited time only. So I'm gonna just, because one day I might just pound. So make sure that you go ahead and you go up there, you click the link in the bio, and you shop with your girl, take your girl out. Not only that, all orders over $35 in the US have free shipping, so you might as well go over there and cop it. Code automatically apply. You ain't got nothing, Pookie, but